That's a pretty blue paper. And let's see here. Okay, this sent with bubble wrap. Put this to the side. And it comes in one of these slider boxes, little planner protection box. Okay. Pardon that, I just threw that back there. That's very pretty. I like that color paper. Oh, yay, my new 2021 planner. I got it with the rose gold coil and the leopard print. And it came with another ruler that you can take off and on. So let me put that down so I can have more space. Pardon the glare, but that is very pretty. And the back looks the same. I tend not to personalize my covers in case I want to trade with somebody, or I use them on multiple different types of planners, so I don't put the year. But I know that I like seeing people with their year on the planner, so that's nice. Oh, that's cute. I like the inside dashboard being light pink. And I got the neutral, so this is what the neutral looks like. Got your full 20, or I guess from July all the way to December 2020, and then your full year, January. I'm not for sure if I like that. I would have liked the 2021, because now I'm gonna have to remind myself. I don't know. I'm a little I don't want to say OCD because that's not what that is, but I just would prefer it to be at the top there. Okay, that's nice. Let me get my 2020 planner and compare them. So don't mind my Halloween but the cover here, but this is 2020, and I still have a rose gold planner coil here, and let me move it to the side. So the comparison, we'll do that. So this is what they look like side by side. Let's see what the coil looks like, if it's any different. It looks to be about, I don't want to say the new one is a little bigger, but it may be a little bit. But the colors look the same. Okay, so let me open that up. I can't remember if this came, the pocket here, the pocket came with the 2020 or not, or if I took it off one of my older Erin Condren planners. I may have done that. So that's what that looks like. And again, the front looks like this. So old and new. They both have that cover. So this comes in your life planner page. They have a little quote. It's nice to have the quote page. And then the tab on this one. So it goes into your yearly calendar here. And let's see. Same with this one. I guess I didn't use this calendar. I intend to use this one for this year. I have a lot of things going on that I need to plan out, so I will do that. And then let's see, changing. So this is what this looks like on the 2021. Move that to the side. And opening this up. I do like that there's no color within the box. Like The old one this past year has the colors in here, so I definitely like the neutrality of it. So you'll have a back page just like the current one has. I do like that quote, wherever you are, be all there. And I tend to always be planning in the future, and my husband says, how's it like living in the future? So that's a good one for me. And then we've got the tab that opens directly to the calendar, which I like because this 2020 does not, and that always frustrated me because I'll go through December. So when you pull the tab, it opens to this page here in the 2020. I would get so irritated because it's like, this is what I want right here. You know, I want the monthly calendar. So I do appreciate that this has now been updated to reflect that. So once you go to your monthly review page with the notes page, then you flip to that page. So once you flip that over, it looks like that. So this is what this looks like compared to this year. I guess I didn't notice that this one doesn't have 2020 on it, where it does on that page, whereas this now has 2021. I like that. I'm not for sure if I'm crazy about the ruled lines versus the old one dots. I'm more of a bullet journalist, and I really like those, but I never really used these because the squares or the dots were too far apart. So it's kind of like this in a way, where I prefer more college ruled lines instead of wide rule. This is it's like an in-between a college and wide rule. So we'll see how that goes for me this year. Again, the dots appear to be a little too far, but I think I'm gonna create a sticker that goes here for each one of my months, and that may just go away. But I do like that they took away the birthday and monthly goal headers, because honestly, there may be 1 month out of the entire year where I have like 2 or 3 people with birthdays that I need to remember, and then I'll go months and months with no birthdays to celebrate. So that's helpful to take that away. And then the goals, I do like to write my goals out in this section, but again, I feel that the dots are too far apart. I don't know, so I'll probably end up putting a sticker over it to rectify that. And let's go on to the next page. So this is what your weekly view looks like compared to this. So they put the month calendar up here. That's not really a big deal to me. And then they still have the rounded corners. Trying to see if I see anything different between these two. I do like that they took away the colored dots here. I'm not sure about this little narrow strip here. That's a little like, what are you gonna do here? Put a sticker over it again. But they could have just had the boxes go straight up to this box and not had a space in there, but I'll see how that works this year. So that's what it looks side by side. And let's see, what about the back pages? Let's see, we'll go all the way through here to December. All right, so the end of, so between the months, we're going into December. Let's see, I want to look at that. Let's see, so there is one page just like the 2020. So there's one page between the months. But going in after your December 2021 is done, let's look that up. So you have the end of the year going in, and you have 1, 2, which has that notes tab there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What was that? 9, 10. 10 pages. Again, 10 or 11 pages. Let's see what this one, I think this one has, let's see, I have a lot of stuff written on it, so let me just count a few pages in the 2020, and they are more a dot grid instead of lined, so we'll see how that goes with that. I'm not sure how I feel about line versus the dot grid, because the lines are far apart and the dots are far apart, so this is one area I keep all my contacts in my phone, so I'll see about using this. I am researching, working on my doctorate, doing research, and I do have a lot more like non-personal contacts that I have, like research contacts I have to keep in touch with, so this may come in handy for me this year, but I have a completely separate planner for my research, and it's more of a bullet journal, so this may not work out in that regard, because I don't want to have things like mixed within the different planners, so we'll see. I may come up with a different idea on what to use this one for. So this is pretty much about the same as the last one, except for it looks like it's raised up. Let me see if I can show you guys that one without any personal personal contact information or anything in there. The end of the year calendar, where are you? Okay, so it's about the same. The only difference is this one has like a bar of color there, and this one's neutral, so that's okay, that's good too. Okay, I actually like these stickers way better than the old ones. That's nice. Okay, I really like these. They're a little bit bigger, and I like the font of these. That's great. So I think I'll probably use these more. Yeah, some birthday one. I don't like the colors. They're not my favorite. These are very similar. Oh, uh-oh. One of the whole pages is bent. Not cool, but okay. I can probably work with it. And of course, you have the neutral gray ones. Maybe they'll flatten out when I put them on something. And you have a pocket just like the other one. Oh, what's back here? Okay, some more cards, little tip-in cards that you could use. Plan for tomorrow, celebrate today. This is a very pretty peach color because it's a perpetual, let's see, calendar and contacts. So perpetual calendar, important contacts. I like that. That's a pretty color there. But okay, but all in all, that is what comes in this planner. And I am going to be setting up like the monthly pages and the goals pages or overview here. And if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned. I hope to get that out in a couple of weeks. Once I have everything planned out where I want it to go, I'll be creating some stickers for that. But yeah, as usual, guys, stay positive and stay motivated. Bye.